Okay guys, I'm going to do my best to do a video here for you on the noise. This thing is quiet. I'm going to start it up. You'll hear it. Right now there's no noise. It's in neutral. Give me a second. Push the clutch in. First gear. No more noise like there was with the last gear. That's third gear idling in high range. Sorry, shaky camera here, but the thing's not on the lift. Anyway, transmission is dead quiet. So there you have it. We have success. So I'm going to put the seat on it, lower it down, and try to get it out of here and take it for a drive. Thanks for all the help from everybody along this whole process and being patient with my learning. All right, thanks.